Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be mini cast stuffing one of my Sinky Fun binders. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. This will help my channel out a great deal. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, sweeties, before I begin this video, I want to thank all my new subscribers and welcome to the family. I am so happy, so grateful that you guys are here, and the ones that's been rocking and rolling me this whole time, I'm so grateful for your continued support. And also the ones who are not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. It's free. All right, sweeties, those are guys that are new watching my channel. I want to let you guys know that over here I do cast stuffings, expense check-ins, saving challenges, Happy Mail unboxing. I do a little bit of vlogging and I do budgeting, but I do that off camera. My goal is to save as much as I can and become debt free. All right, sweeties, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are all doing well. Me, honey, I'm doing well. So, sweeties, this week, nothing much has been going on this week. I've been working and, coming home and try to relax. And once again, you guys, I've been trying to binge watch your videos and stuff. And you know what? That's really about it. There was nothing too much exciting happening this week. So, sweeties, I hope you guys have a fun, safe, and awesome weekend. All right, sweeties. So the first thing I want to show you is this great idea that Budgeting April had came up with. And so one day, I was looking at one of her videos, and so she had came up with this, she's so creative, y'all. So she came up with this idea of a everyday box. So, sweeties, so when she came up with that idea, and so what you do is you just put something in that box every day, whether it's like dollar bills, coins or prayers, something that you have to put in there every day. So, sweeties, you know what? I had a box. Well, actually, it's a bank, and so I had it for a little while, and I bought it from Hobby Lobby, and I never used it. So, you know what? I said, I'm going to start doing that. I'm going to start putting something in that box every day. And you know what I'm going to do with it at the end of the year? I'm going to surprise myself to see, like how much I saved in that box, or, like whatever I put in there. I just want to be surprised at the end of the year. So, sweeties, I want to show you my box. And here it is, sweeties. And so it says, be the change you want to see in the world. So when I bought this box, this bank actually, I thought it was super cool and super nice. And plus it was on sale, you guys. So, like I said, I had it for a while and I just didn't know what to do with it. So I had went on and took up, Budgeting April's idea, and so I had actually I actually Instagrammed her and I showed her my box. So, sweeties, so once again, this is what the front looks like. And so, sweeties, this is what I did on the top of my box. I just put down Sweet Kiki box, and so I just put like little hearts on there, little stickers on there. And so, sweeties, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this box on the side, and I'm going to put something in it towards, actually in a few minutes. But let me put this on the side, sweeties. All right, so what I'm going to do is I am going to take the cash out of this money bag. And what I'm going to do is, let me take it out first. And you know what? I'm going to move this bag on the side. And the amount of money that we are going to be cash stuffing is going to be a total of $32. All right, sweeties, so let's make sure that it comes out to that amount. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. And that is correct. All right, sweetie, so I'm going to place this money over here in this cash tray. All right, sweetie, so what I'm going to do is first I'm going to take this, my everyday box. And so since I have $2, you guys, this is 1, 2. I'm going to be placing it inside my everyday box. So I'm going to fold this dollar bill up. And let me place it inside here. And I'm going to fold this one up. And I'm going to place it inside. So this is what I put in for today. So I put $2 in my box today. So far, this is how it looks. I'm super excited about this box, you guys. And once again, this idea came from Budgeting April. All right, sweeties, I'm going to move this on the side here. And I am going to take my sinking fund binder. This is one of them. And I'm going to open it up. And so, sweeties, we are going to start cash stuffing the first category. So, sweeties, the first category, it is house payment, and that's going to receive me a total of $5. So here's the $5 bill. I'm going to place this on the side, sweeties, and then I'm going to open this envelope up, and we're going to count to see how much we have all together here. So that's 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. All right, sweeties, so we have a total of $54 in the house payment category here. And I want to let you guys know that I do keep a tracker in each one of these envelopes, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to update my tracker off camera. All right, sweeties, I'm going to close this back up. So, sweeties, the next category, it is bills ahead, and that's going to be receiving a total of $5 as well. So let's open this up. Let me take a $5 bill over here, sweeties. I'm going to place this on the side, and let's take all the monies out. And let's see how much we have all together here. So that's 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, $55 in this one. So I'm going to place the money inside this envelope nice and neat. And so, sweeties, I want to let you guys know that I don't have a specific amount of money, to stuff. I don't have a goal to put in each envelope. I'm just going to stuff whatever I can. All right, sweeties, the next category, it is buffer. That's going to be also receiving a total of $5. So let's open this up. And let's take the monies out, but let's get that $5 bill and let's place it. Let's add it along with the other monies. Let me bring this up a little bit so you guys can see. Okay, sweeties, so let's count to see how much I have so far. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. All right, sweeties, so in the category buffer, we have $56. So let me place this back inside. The next category is insurance, which is my house insurance. And so that's going to be receiving a total of $5. So let me open this up right quick. And let me take this $5 bill. Let me place this on the side right here. And let's take out all the monies. And let's add that $5 bill along with all the rest of it. So that's 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. All right, sweeties, I have a total of $49 in my insurance envelope. The next category, sweeties, it is YouTube, and that's going to be receiving a total of $5 as well. So let's open this up. Let me take this $5 bill. Let me place it on the side here. And let's add this $5 bills with all the rest of the monies. So that's 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, and $52. And so, sweeties, let me stuff this back inside this envelope. And so, sweeties, last but not least, we have P.O. Box. And you guys, I'm still working on the P.O. Box. Excuse me, you guys, for shaking the camera. So, sweeties, I'm still working on that. I still want to, my goal, is to have a mailbox, before the end of this year. So, sweeties, I'm going to open this envelope up. And so I'm going to be cash stuffing this last $5. So let me put that on the side, and let's see how much money we have all together here. And so, sweeties, my goal is to pay the mailbox for a year. So hopefully, like I said, my goal is to actually have my P.O. box before the end of the year. So that's 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, $50, you guys. So I'm going to place this back inside, nice and neat. So, sweeties, that is all that I have for you. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. Those of you guys that are not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button. Don't forget to turn on your notifications for my video uploads. And don't forget to watch the ads during my videos. And I will see you in my next one.